Welcome back to your hub for the hottest tech trends. Today, we're diving into viral AI trends and news. AI's moving fast, from epic music videos to smart agents running the show. We'll unpack the biggest breakthroughs of 2025 and what they mean for the future. Grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's jump in. Subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. First up, let's talk about AI-powered content creation, which is absolutely dominating the digital space. If you've been scrolling through Instagram Reels or X lately, you've likely stumbled across stunning visuals or animations that look straight out of a blockbuster. But here's the kicker: they're made by AI. Tools like Luma AI's Dream Machine and Pika.art are letting users turn simple text prompts, like a futuristic jungle with glowing plants, into cinematic quality videos or 3D animations in minutes. What's fueling this viral frenzy? It's the democratization of creativity. Gone are the days when you needed a $10,000 camera rig or a degree in graphic design to make professional-grade content. Now, anyone with a laptop can create a music video or a product ad that rivals big-budget studios. For example, a viral X post last week showcased an indie musician using Pika.art to create a fully animated music video for their single, racking up over 2 million views in 48 hours. The best part? It cost them $20 and took 3 hours. Compare that to traditional animation, which could take weeks and thousands of dollars. This trend is transforming industries. Small businesses are using AI to craft social media ads, saving thousands on marketing agencies. Educators are creating engaging animated lessons for students. Even gamers are using these tools to design custom skins or cutscenes for their streams. Data from a recent TechCrunch report suggests that AI-generated content could account for 60% of social media visuals by 2026. That's massive. But it's not all smooth sailing. The rise of AI content creation is sparking debates about authenticity. Some worry that human artists might struggle to compete with AI's speed and cost efficiency. Others argue it's a tool, not a replacement, empowering creators to focus on storytelling rather than technical skills. On X, artists are sharing mixed reactions. Some embrace AI as a collaborator, while others fear it could flood the market with generic content. What do you think? Have you played with any AI content tools yet? Drop a comment below and share your creations. Next, let's dive into autonomous AI agents, the behind-the-scenes rock stars of the AI world. These aren't your grandpa's chatbots that just answer FAQs. AI agents in 2025 are intelligent systems that can execute complex tasks, from planning your week to automating entire business processes. The buzz around these agents went through the roof recently when xAI, the folks behind me, showcased an AI agent capable of managing a small business's inventory, customer support, and marketing, all in real time. Picture this: you run a bakery, and instead of juggling spreadsheets and customer emails, an AI agent handles your stock orders, responds to inquiries, and even suggests new cupcake flavors based on market trends. A viral demo on X showed an AI agent from a startup called Agentic Labs doing exactly that, running a coffee shop's operations with zero human input for 24 hours. The post got 1.5 million impressions, and the comments were wild, with entrepreneurs begging for early access. Why is this trending? AI agents are saving time and money. In healthcare, for example, agents are being used to triage patient inquiries. One hospital reported a 25% reduction in administrative costs after implementing an AI system from DeepMind. In education, AI agents are grading assignments and providing personalized feedback, freeing up teachers to focus on instruction. A study from Gartner predicts that by 2028, 30% of small businesses will rely on AI agents for at least one core function. Of course, there's a catch. These systems require robust training data and can be expensive to deploy. Think $5,000 to $50,000 for a custom setup. Plus, they're not perfect. A now infamous X thread detailed an AI agent that accidentally overbooked a salon's appointments, leading to a day of chaos. Developers are working to make these systems more reliable, but the potential is undeniable. Imagine an AI agent managing your YouTube channel's analytics, scheduling posts, and responding to comments while you focus on filming. That's not sci-fi, that's 2025. Are you ready for an AI sidekick? Now, let's switch gears to AI music generation, which is hitting all the right notes online. Tools like Suno AI and SoundRaw are letting users create original songs from scratch. No instruments or studio required. Type in upbeat pop song about summer love, and boom, you've got a radio-ready track in 30 seconds. This trend is blowing up because it's accessible to everyone, from bedroom producers to influencers looking for unique background tracks. A viral moment came last month when a TikToker used Suno AI to create a catchy jingle for their skincare brand, and it went viral with 3 million views. Major artists are taking notice too. Grammy-nominated producer Zedd recently tweeted about experimenting with AI to generate chord progressions, sparking a heated debate on X about whether AI music lacks soul. Meanwhile, platforms like Spotify are integrating AI-generated tracks into playlists, with some estimating that 10% of new releases in 2025 could involve AI. This tech is a game-changer for content creators. YouTubers are using AI music to avoid copyright strikes, while podcasters are crafting custom intros. Businesses are even using it for elevator music or ad jingles. According to a report from Music Business Worldwide, the AI music market is projected to hit $2 billion by 2030. But there's a flip side. Musicians worry about royalties and job security. If an AI can compose a hit for $10, why hire a human? On the other hand, some artists see AI as a creative spark, helping them overcome writer's block. Ethical concerns are also bubbling up. A recent X controversy erupted when an AI-generated song mimicking Drake's style fooled fans, raising questions about intellectual property. Platforms are now exploring watermarking AI music to distinguish it from human work. What's your take? Does AI music excite you, or does it feel like cheating? Sound off below. Let's level up to AI in gaming, where things are getting seriously next-gen. AI is transforming how games are made and played, from procedurally generated worlds to NPCs, non-player characters, that feel like real people. Tools like NVIDIA's ACE are enabling developers to create characters that respond dynamically to player actions, complete with realistic dialogue and emotions. A viral X post last week showed a demo of an indie game where an AI-powered NPC remembered a player's previous choices across multiple playthroughs, adapting its behavior accordingly. The clip got 500,000 views, with gamers calling it the future of RPGs. Big studios are jumping in too. Ubisoft recently announced an AI-driven tool that generates unique side quests in real time, ensuring no two playthroughs are the same. Why is this trending? It's about immersion. Players want worlds that feel alive, and AI delivers. Plus, it's cutting development costs. A report from VentureBeat suggests AI could reduce game development budgets by 20% by automating tasks like level design. For gamers, a McKinsey report estimates AI could automate 30% of current jobs by 2030, from data entry to graphic design. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating roles like prompt engineers and ethics consultants. On X, users are debating whether AI will lead to a jobless future or a new era of opportunity. The truth? Probably somewhere in between. The tech community is responding. Open-source AI projects are gaining traction, letting developers audit models for bias. Meanwhile, organizations like the AI Ethics Council are pushing for global standards. As viewers, you're part of this conversation. How do you want AI to shape our world? Let's discuss in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your tech-loving friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for weekly updates on the tech that's changing the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.